waves and welcome to a little bonus video. I have decided to only upload 5 videos a week for a little time. My goal was 4 videos a week, and then it turned into 5, and then I was doing 6 all of the time, and then it turned into 7. I need to chill, and I need to spend more time with me and with my fiance and with my pets and with me, honestly, because all the time that I had during the days was taken by someone else, and I need more time with me. So therefore I have decided to only post 5 videos a week, but when I have these easy videos to do, because this doesn't take me that long to film and edit, those aren't hard to film. So I'm gonna open a GlossyBox for this month, and that's going up on a Wednesday this week, so it's a bit of a bonus video. My uploading schedule for a while now, going forth, I'll let you know if it changes, it's gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and Sundays are my new makeup releases. So that's gonna be the upload schedule for me for a time now in the future, so that I can have time to read, play video games and stuff like that. I also like to get back into baking. I used to love baking. Enough about that. I do get sent GlossyBox as PR. They send it to me every month, but this is not sponsored. I am not obliged in any way, shape or form to show the box. I can if I want to, and I actually think that these videos are kind of fun to film and to do, and also kind of easy, and I have found some really good favorites from GlossyBox. So that's why, and I like surprises. I like getting surprises. I like getting like gifts and stuff like that, and to just try out. And since a lot of my favorites has come from GlossyBox, I keep opening them because I think it's fun. I do have a code with GlossyBox to save you 20% on your first GlossyBox if you're living in Sweden, because this is a Swedish GlossyBox. I will leave that down below. It is not affiliated. I do not make any money off that code. Is there something else I wanted to say? I think I've been doing these for about a year now. Maybe even a little more, and like I said, they do send these to me as PR, and this is the Swedish GlossyBox, because GlossyBox is a Swedish/German company, and I do feel it's pretty fun to open these. They do come in a magazine in Sweden. This is the Glossy magazine number 4. This is the April box, and since I've been traveling and since I've been away, I didn't have the time to film it before, and that's also why I felt like I wanted to get it up now before we're in May. Maybe we're already in May when this goes up. Modern Day Beauty. Okej. Väck vårkänslorna till liv. Det är dags att uppdatera produkterna i badrumsskåpet. I din box hittar du ett kit med moderna beautyfavoriter som tar din rutin från vinter till vår. Starta med riktig vårstädning av huden. Och avsluta med en vårdande ögonbryns gelé gel. How do you say that in Swedish? I'm not even sure. Som pricken över i, stay glossy. Okay, awaken the spring feelings to life. It is time to update your products in your bathroom cabinet. Is that how you say it? In your box you will find a kit of modern beauty favorites that will take your routine from winter to spring. Start with a spring cleaning of the skin and finish up with a nourishing eyebrow gel as the in Sweden we say it the dot over the eye, and basically in US you would say like as a cherry on top. That's our Swedish saying. So this is what the box looks like. It comes with a little ribbon like this that my cat loves to play with, and let's open it and see what we get. Oh wait, these are things that I actually can use. This is what it looks like, and let's talk about the toothpaste first. How nice to get something that everyone uses. That's great, because I'm gonna use toothpaste. These boxes aren't that expensive in Sweden, so, and toothpaste is actually kind of expensive in Sweden, so I feel kind of like this. Colgate Active Fresh Total Whole Mouth Health. Okay, I'm excited. I'm guessing this is a new one then. It's for cavities, plaque, gum problems, sensitive teeth, tartar, I don't know what that is, enamel, staining, bad breath. Oh, it's like it's an all-in-one thing. See how this one smells. How do you open this one? Do you have to like, yeah, you have to like open it. Ooh, this smells really fresh, but still not pepperminty, because I like when toothpaste are minty but not pepperminty. So yeah, I like that. I use toothpaste. Thank you. The next one that I saw that I was like, I use this. This is silver shampoo. That's so nice, because I'm almost out of my one. Because I normally use the Fudge Silver Shampoo, which is, to be fair, the best silver shampoo out there. If you feel like your hair is turning a bit yellow and you want to try a silver shampoo that really works, but it works as so good that if you leave it in for too long, your hair is going to shift a bit in purple. So do be a bit careful, but the Fudge Silver Shampoo is the best. I've tried a lot, I'm telling you. This is the Schwarzkopf Live Silver Shampoo Yellow Neutralizer. Let me see how this one looks. How do you open it? Let's see. Smells like shampoo, and it is, yeah, it's very purple, but it seems a bit see-through. It's a very special sound, but I'm excited about this. And this is obviously a full size, and Schwarzkopf is not that it's inexpensive of a brand, so I'm pretty excited about that as well, because I do use silver shampoo. I do realize though that if you are not, like, if you don't use silver shampoo, that is an awful thing to get. But although you might know someone around you that has blonde hair that wants to use that. This is the 417 Redefine Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Wait, what? How? I want to read about this one. Let me get the card. 417 Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Okay. Give your skin a lovely spring cleanse with this foaming 3-in-1 gel that will cleanse, exfoliate, and remove makeup. That's nice. The formula is based on active ingredients from the Dead Sea and natural micro peeling grains from loofah beans. That's nice, because I told you that I was running out of, although I don't know if this is like cruelty-free, I don't know about that. Made in Israel. I have no idea about that, but I wanted to, because I'm not like full-on cruelty-free, but I do take that into consideration when buying things. And I wanted to, when I ran out of my cleansing gel from Fresh, I wanted to get something that was probably as good, because it's not revolutionary, but just from a cruelty-free brand. Don't know if this is cruelty-free, but I'm gonna try it and see how I feel. I do like that it's natural, like, exfoliants from loofah beans though, because we don't need more plastic in the seas. And then you get, okay, 2 more things in this box. There's always 5 either deluxe samples or full sizes, although I have to say that most of the times they're full sizes. This is a new made in Korea simple water boost hydrating sheet mask. Okay, that's nice. No artificial perfume or color. Okay, so it's a hydrating sheet mask that is made for sensitive skin. That is nice. The perfect antidote to fight what did I read? Wait, the perfect antidote to fight the 5 early signs of dehydrated skin: dryness, dullness, dry dehydration, lines, tightness, and roughness. Inspired by Asian beauty rituals, the new water boost hydrating sheet mask is made of soft, natural fibers, okay, contouring the face like a second skin. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I've been masking a bit the last couple of days because flying affects my skin, and I was flying to Venice and I was flying back from Venice, and yeah, that does really affect my skin. So nice to get some mask to help with that. And then the last thing is this one. This is the, shut up, nobody asked you. This is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel from Botanic Beauty. I've never heard about this. Last thing I need is a brow gel, but I have never gotten a brow gel before in a GlossyBox, so I do think it's really nice for them to expand a bit and give us other kinds of things, because I do realize that most people that do their makeup, may rephrase, but people that don't do their makeup, why are you using GlossyBox? Although you do get a lot of skincare things. Never mind. Most people that do their makeup use a brow gel, and if you are doing makeup and not using a brow gel, getting one could be really nice. You do go through them, so I think it's a really good thing to get in a GlossyBox. I personally do not need one though, because I actually got 3 brow gels sent to me the last couple of months as PR, so the last thing I need is another brow gel. And also I got 3 brow gels sent to me that I like in PR, so that's how I feel. Fill in, thicken and tame brows into place with this all-in-one brow mascara, okay? An innovative, lightweight, water-based formula enriched with aloe vera, which defines and fills in the look of brows while controlling and shaping without flaking or fading. Sounds good. Comb through brow in short upward strokes and shape brows to the desired look. Is this a... It's a clear one. This is also good, giving a clear one so that people can enjoy. Personally won't be using this one because like I said, I have a bunch of them, but I don't think it's a bad thing to get in the GlossyBox at all, to be honest. I am gonna probably put this in a giveaway, or maybe I'll send this to a person that I'm sending a giveaway prize this weekend, because I always when somebody wins a giveaway at my place, I always give a lot of extras, because I feel like I get a lot of things that I don't need or use and I just want to share them. So when you win a giveaway at my place, you will expect to get some extras. Okay, let me see. This one, the 417 one, oh, this is 200 for 200 milliliters. Is this 200? This is 100 milliliters. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample. The full size is actually 200, double this, which is a lot. I'm happy I got 100 because it's nice to try. The original product is 200 milliliters, which is double than this, and it's 265 crowns, which is about $30, I would say. So that is actually, so it's like $15 than this deluxe sample. And then this shampoo, it is, oh, it's actually quite inexpensive. Maybe I was mistaken thinking this wash cup was not an like affordable brand. Maybe they are. I don't know what I'm talking about, obviously. The silver shampoo is $69, which is like, I don't know, $8. Something like that, and this is a full size, right? 200, yeah, full size. And the toothpaste is yeah, it's about like 25 to 29 crowns. It says it's like $3, something like that, maybe $3.50. So it's a good thing to get, but it's definitely not an expensive thing. And then the sheet mask is 35 crowns. That my cat found something to hunt. This is an affordable sheet mask, so if it's good, that's great. So it's like 34.90 Swedish crowns. It's like $4, something like that. And then the Fill and Tame Brow Clear Gel is about 100 crowns for 4 milliliters, and this is 4 milliliters. So this is a full size, and 100 crowns is about like $10, $11, $12, something like that, maybe like $11, $12. So it's like a mid-ranged brow gel, and if it's good, I guess that's really nice as well. I really do like this box because both of these are things that I'm almost running out of and I needed to buy a new one, so that's, for me, that's perfect. And I also love that that one had natural exfoliating things. Always love getting masks in box like this. I've told that before. Getting masks and getting like smaller deluxe samples and things you can bring traveling for skincare in boxes like this is perfect. You don't have to commit that much, and getting a sheet mask is like a perfect thing, because masking is the extra step you take. It's not something you need, but it's something that you like. Like, it's everyday luxury, not even everyday, but like a luxury in your routine. So getting a mask like this is really nice because it adds a bit of luxury to your routine of something that you maybe don't have that much of. Getting toothpaste, I mean, I do realize that this is not a very luxury thing to get, but we all use toothpaste, and if this is a good one, that is great. I'm not mad about that, even though I do realize that other people might feel like getting toothpaste, WTF, is that how you say it? Yeah. I don't mind it though, because I use toothpaste. If I didn't already have a lot of brow gels, I'd probably break into this one and use it, but I have so many, so I'm gonna actually pass that one on to someone else. All in all, I thought that this was an okay one. I really liked it. I did like it. I am gonna use 4 out of 5 things, and I am extra happy about 2 out of 5 things. I think that's really, I like this box. Was it like, oh my god, you open it and you're like, butterflies are flying out of it? No, but I did like the box. I thought it was really good. And yeah, that was everything for this video. If you want to be subscribed, please do. I do upload quite a lot of videos still on my channel, and I would love to see you in my next one, which is gonna be tomorrow. Okay, bye!